Hi, welcome to JWR Academy. In this video, we are discussing the example based on integer problem. Okay, here you can see the answer is not 3. So how we'll get the answer 3 when we solve minus 6 plus 3? So it means k 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these values are in minus. Okay, and 1, 2, 3. These values are in positive. So now when we solve minus 6 plus 3, so we remember minus into minus is equal to plus, and plus into plus is equal to plus, and minus into plus is equal to minus, and minus into minus is equal to minus. So here minus into plus, so it means minus. We get the answer in we solve through subtraction, and which number we write here, positive 3 and negative 3. So big value, big number is minus, in minus, so we write here minus 3 is final answer of this question. If you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for next interesting video.